Hey, good morning. What's up, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. This is Sean Winkler-Rios with Soloprenur.com, and today I am going to give you lesson number 1, which is called Build a Business. And I think this is a very appropriate topic for lesson number 1. A couple of things before I get started. I think it's important to know what it is I'm going to be sharing with you as we go forward. Sometimes it's going to be methods, ways of doing business. Sometimes it's going to be concepts and ideas. But sometimes, like today, it's about mindsets. It's about how we perceive our business. And this is one of those things that I've really learned over the years working with entrepreneurs really keep people from moving forward, is that they think about their business in a certain way, and because they can't see it any different, they treat it a certain way and they get a certain result, which is not what they're looking for. We don't want to do that. So what I'm going to be sharing with you is ways that I've learned over 40 years of doing business, of looking at your business and how to treat it. And this is one of the most important, I think, impediments to a new entrepreneur. So one of the first things we need to realize is that a job is not a business. And I know that may be just common sense, and you think, oh, well, gee, Sean, you're not telling me anything I don't really know. But yes, I need to, because here's what happened is that a lot of folks that are either new to entrepreneurship or new to self-employment think in terms of doing a job. They think in terms of, if I work hard, if I do my service right, or if I build my product right, people are going to come flocking to it and I'm going to make lots of money. No, that's not how it works. That's a job mentality. Job mentality is about doing the work, the technical work. If you're a graphic designer, you're building logos, web pages, brochures, whatever. That is not the work of a business. They are not the same thing, and you must distinguish those two. So there's two things I want to point out on this slide. First, again, you see that job in the center. It is part of a business, but there are more functions. That's what we call them, business functions. Areas of business that must be done for a business to function. And the job pays a wage. So you can have a graphic designer doing that job in a business and making an income while the business owner is performing all those other functions. That's typically what happens with jobs, is that someone else is doing these things, but they're happening. If you're going to be a business owner, you need to be doing these other things, which means you're doing additional work in addition to that job. And that's why that premium's up there, is that you should be paid for doing the job. So if you're making wages as a graphic designer, you need those wages. Plus, you need to get paid for all the work that you're doing in doing the other things about the business. That's a mindset, seeing that the business and job are different things and seeing that the outcomes should be different. This is why thinking about a business as a prerequisite for success, is that a job mindset is going to lead you to focusing on just doing the job and the operations, and these other areas of the business which are required for it to function appropriately is going to lose you money. And that's what we don't want to do. So if you're looking at all these things I have up here and saying, oh, great, I don't know anything about finance, I don't know anything about sales or management or marketing, great. That's where you start. But that does not mean that you can run a business and not know about those things. You have to be able to use these tools, these ways of thinking, these skills to be able to get the results of actually getting your wages plus your premium. That's what's required. So separate out the work down there, which I have down by operations, from the rest of doing business. And that's why a business mindset makes money. Focus on building a business. No matter where you are in the process of building a business, whether you're at the very beginning of looking for an idea or you've been in business for a while, you never can lose sight of all of the business building activities that you must do to make the business work the way that you need to. And that's what leads to making money. The business actions on the left side result in either increasing in revenues or decreasing expenses. And if you're not focused on them, they don't happen. So remember, a business pays your wages plus a premium. Never forget that. Jobs and businesses are two different things. Doesn't matter if you call them a gig, side hustle, whatever. It's still a business. It's separate from the wages that you would get from a job. And you have to have that premium. Focus on building the entire business, not just doing the job only. You will not succeed by focusing on the job alone. And building a business is about making more money than you spend. In the next few lessons, we're actually going to cover some of this ground so you can get a little bit better idea of what business building is all about. But for today, take that to the bank. Try to think about your business in a new way and try to start applying that in the work that you're doing. If you like today's lessons, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also give me some feedback. Let me know what you like. Give me any feedback in terms of what you want to learn more about, and we'll see you on the next video.